This is a Honda Civic Sport Touring Hybrid with some modifications. The first kit that we have is the footwell and under seat lighting kit. You can see the footwell light there and under seat light here, and that's on both the driver and the passenger side for the fronts. Next we have the cup holder and center storage bin light. Next, the Homelink mirror modification. Next is the USB-C port for the rear passengers. Next is the last fit LED bulb for the cargo light. And then we have the hatch light kit.